Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Square Payroll, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Square Payroll, begin by accessing your computer's settings. For Windows users, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select Settings, represented by a gear icon. In the Settings window, navigate to Apps. In the Apps section, scroll down to find Square Payroll. Click on Square. Once highlighted, select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation that Square Payroll has been successfully uninstalled. For Mac users, start by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder, select Applications from the sidebar. Locate the Square Payroll application within the Applications folder. Right-click on Square Payroll and select Move to Trash. You may then empty your trash to fully remove the application from your computer. For both Windows and Mac, be sure to check if any associated files remain. If found, delete these files to ensure complete uninstallation. This concludes the process of uninstalling Square Payroll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.